How to read Snapchat messages without knowing them. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can read Snapchat messages without knowing them. So to read the Snapchat messages without sender knowing, you can have to follow some steps. So first of all, you can turn on the aeroplane mode and open the Snapchat conversation and read the message, and this prevents the sender from knowing that you have read their message. Also guys, you can use the third party app. Some third party apps claim to know to read the Snapchat messages without the sender knowing. However, be cautious when using such apps as they may violate Snapchat terms of services and compromises your account security. So it's important to note that using these methods may violate the sender's privacy and terms of service for the Snapchat platform. So always consider the ethical implication of reading messages without the senders knowing. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.